Do you know that there is a force, a kind of energy in this world that can be channeled through us and our hands to help ourselves and those around us heal? So you might be wondering, what can it be used to heal? Or how can it be used to heal? This healing energy can be used to ease physical pain or emotional pain, support the natural healing of your body, and it works alongside with your medical treatment to heal your body if you are going through major illnesses. And what's even more astonishing is that this healing energy can actually go back in time. So for instance, you got injured or you got hurt physically or emotionally 10 or 20 years ago. This healing energy can actually bring you back to that moment and help you to heal your wound. And not only that, this healing energy can also be sent into the future to support the future you. So for example, if you're going for interviews or auditions, it can be preset to help you relax your emotional state and be confident during your interview or audition. Hi beautiful souls! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Belinda. I've recently received some queries from people around me asking about what is Reiki? What exactly is this magical power? Today I'll reveal it to you in this video. If you want to find out more, be sure to watch the entire video. Now before we get into it, let me ask you a question. Imagine if you have a stomach ache. What is your first reaction? Do you subconsciously place your palm on your stomach? I have a stomach ache. It hurts. Right? And when your friend or your family is crying beside you, what would you do? What is your first reaction? Will you comfort that person by placing your hand on their back to make them feel better? Right? You observe that in some way we instinctively use our hands to alleviate physical or emotional pain, either for ourselves or for others. Now you might be thinking, of course I'll use my hands, if not where else can I use, right? But some of you must already notice that the moment you place your palms on the area of discomfort, you instantly felt so much better. And you might be wondering why. Because each one of us is born with this natural healing power, and we refer this power as Reiki. But we must be attuned by a Reiki master in order to make your healing efforts more effective, such as elevating your physical or emotional pain and sending healing energy to your past or future. If not, you'll only feel the mild comfort that your palms can provide. The word Reiki is made up of two Japanese words, Rei meaning universal and Ki meaning life force energy, or the Chinese term Qi. Qi is a subtle energy that surrounds and penetrates all of life. There is no life without Qi. The cause of any illnesses comes from a disruption in the natural flow of Qi within our bodies. For example, when there's an imbalance of Qi in a specific part of your body or in a particular organ, it can lead to illnesses. That's why it's crucial to maintain proper circulation of Qi to promote good health. Reiki, or the universal life force energy, has always been around, indicating that it was not created by any earthly being. However, it required a human to understand, document, and convey a set of teachings related to it. And it was a Japanese doctor, Mikao Usui, who documented the power of Reiki. It was said that Dr. Usui embarked on a journey of self-discovery that led him to a retreat near Mount Kurama, where he fasted for 21 days. On the final day of his retreat, Reiki flowed towards him and into his third eye. He then went into a deep state of meditation, and while he was in that state, he was presented with the Reiki symbols. He was then able to use Reiki to heal himself and others, and he traveled throughout Japan and China imparting his technique and the principles of Reiki. Do you sometimes feel tired, depressed, stressful, or having anxiety from work or from life? Sometimes we are holding on to these negative feelings for a long time unknowingly, and it may become stuck in the body. Or perhaps you suffer from constant headaches or migraines, back pain or poor sleep quality. A research was carried out in 2020 by the Reiki Center with around 1,300 participants from across 68 different countries. The research showed that 91 to 92% of the participants agreed that their overall well-being had improved and they felt more peaceful after Reiki. And 84 to 86% felt happier, less stressful, and less anxious after Reiki. And 71% to 72% of the participants noticed a reduction in headaches and migraines and improvement with back problems after Reiki. And there's a symbol in Reiki that can help you to enhance your focus in connecting with your past or past lives or your future. So if you ever got hurt emotionally or physically in your past, or you are healing your inner child, Reiki will definitely help you with that. You might have heard or experienced acupuncture before, whereby the acupuncturist will insert the needles through your skins at some specific points on your body to stimulate the blood circulation, which helps to remove blockages and enhance your body's natural healing ability. This is almost like Reiki, just that Reiki is a non-invasive healing technique whereby the practitioner will place their palms near specific points on your body to help you remove blockages or release any stuck energy. And this helps to rebalance the ki in your body, which then helps to stimulate your body's natural healing ability. Reiki is safe because it is a divine energy guided by higher powers, ensuring that it can never bring harm. A Reiki practitioner is channeling this divine life force energy from the universe, and through their hands and the support of Reiki symbols, it allows them to achieve a healing effect for themselves or for the person they focus on. For me, the universal life force energy is a form of glorious white light. It's divine, it's pure, and it's love. Reiki is intelligent. It will proceed according to the intention set before the session and do what's necessary for your highest and greatest good. A Reiki healing session can be performed in person or remotely. And you might be thinking, distant healing might not be as effective as in-person healing, and you might not get any sensations from distant healing. No, that's not true. Both distant healing and in-person healing have the same effect because all of us are part of the universe and we are all connected. And to be able to heal someone even from far away, that's the beauty of Reiki. Hopefully this gives you a better clarity on Reiki healing, and if you have any other questions, you may comment down below and I'll consider making another video to answer them. Alternatively, if you are interested to learn more about Reiki or you would like to schedule a Reiki healing session with me, you may find the links in my profile to send me a direct message or instantly book a time with me. If you enjoyed this video or if you learned anything at all, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, and also comment below to let me know where you're tuning in from. It's always nice to know. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification button next to it because I'm dedicated to make videos to help you stay positive and become a better version of yourself. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Namaste.